$1.1 billion. That's the amount Mexican authorities confiscated from the Jalisco cartel in 2020. And a few years earlier, in 2015, Italy delivered a massive blow to its own underworld. The government seized €2 billion in cash, thousands of companies, and over 12,000 mafia-owned properties. But what came next surprised everyone. Officials admitted that running the seized businesses was far harder than taking them. Their exact words? Managing mafia assets was more complicated than the actual confiscation. This reveals something important. Organized crime operates like an enormous, brutal corporate system. And many of these networks make more money than legitimate companies. So, which criminal empires stand at the top of the global underworld? Here are the 10 richest criminal organizations on Earth. 10. The Taliban. Most people don't expect to see the Taliban on lists like this, yet their financial power is enormous. Formed in 1994 by Mullah Muhammad Omar and a small group of students, the movement eventually took over Afghanistan after years of battles against both the Afghan government and US forces. Now back in control, they enforce harsh restrictions, especially on women and girls who have lost access to education, work, free movement, and healthcare. But behind their ideology lies a massive underground economy. When they capture a region, they quickly convert its labor force, resources, and land into revenue. Their biggest stream comes from illegal drug production, mainly heroin and opium. Afghanistan now produces more opium than all cocaine farms in Latin America combined. They also earn tens of millions from illegal mining, hostage ransoms, and donations. Their trafficking operations rely heavily on smuggling networks originally built by Mexican cartels, which makes Afghanistan the world's center of heroin production today. According to Forbes, the Taliban's total revenue sits at around $800 million. 9. Sinaloa Cartel. Few groups have shaped the drug world like the Sinaloa Cartel. For decades, they've maintained a global presence, influence, and profit level unmatched by most rivals. Even after their infamous leader El Chapo was captured and locked away under extreme security, the cartel barely slowed. They currently control roughly 60% of global drug revenue. Fortune magazine estimates their yearly income at about $3 billion, though the real figure could be much higher. After El Chapo's arrest, they lost several key routes and hundreds of millions in product, yet they bounced back under the rumored leadership of El Mayo, a mysterious figure believed to be a billionaire himself. Depending on the source, Sinaloa's value could range from $6.5 billion to a staggering $500 billion. Since exact numbers are impossible to verify, the safest estimate remains around $3 billion. 8. The Ndrangheta. Italy's second-largest mafia network, the Ndrangheta, is one of the most powerful cocaine brokers in the world. They were the earliest European group to establish deep ties with South American drug producers, giving them huge control over the transatlantic drug routes. Their influence stretches across Europe and the United States, and they've existed for more than 2 centuries. Their estimated value sits around $4.5 billion. Aside from drugs, they've earned a reputation as skilled mediators within the criminal world, resolving disputes between rival groups. This diplomatic ability helped them form alliances with cartels throughout the 20th century and dominate Europe's cocaine supply. But their calm demeanor shouldn't be mistaken for weakness. They can be extremely violent when necessary. 7. Camorra. In 2005, a chilling crime revealed the brutality of the Camorra. A clan leader ordered the kidnapping, torture, and burning of a rival's ex-girlfriend just to extract information. And that's only a fraction of their violent history. Despite government crackdowns, the Camorra remains one of Italy's most profitable criminal organizations, earning around $4.9 billion annually according to Fortune. They operate differently from the Sicilian Mafia. Instead of a strict top-down hierarchy, the Camorra consists of numerous clans, each with its own boss and affiliates. This decentralized structure has helped them survive since the 1600s. Their income comes from extortion, drugs, arms dealing, illegal gambling, and ruthless exploitation. 6. Yamaguchi Yakuza. Most people refer to them as the Yakuza, but that term covers many groups. The Yamaguchi is the largest of them all, a powerful, highly organized criminal empire in Japan. Founded in 1915 by Hirokichi Yamaguchi, they built a legacy of strict discipline, complex hierarchies, and internal punishment rituals like yubitsu, where members cut off a finger or ear to apologize for failure. Their activities include drug trafficking, gambling, dispute mediation, and extortion. Their deep roots, stretching back centuries, have helped them grow into an organization worth roughly $6.6 billion. 5. Santsyevskaya Bratva, Russian Mafia. Russia's criminal underworld operates differently from the West, and the Santsyevskaya Bratva is the largest and most notorious faction. Its founder, Sergei Mikhailov, began his criminal career working as a waiter before forming a gang in the 1980s. Over time, that small group evolved into a vast network of violent foot soldiers and sophisticated criminals. They expanded across Europe, North America, and even parts of Africa, engaging in everything from arms trafficking and extortion to human trafficking and illegal gambling. Although decentralized, their semi-independent brigades unite when facing major threats. Their real power lies in their infiltration of legitimate businesses, banks, casinos, and even a major Russian airport. By the 1990s, they were laundering money through financial institutions and forming relationships with wealthy oligarchs. Today, the organization is believed to have around 9,000 members and a net worth of $8.5 billion. 4. D Company. Many people outside India have never heard of D Company, and that anonymity is exactly what its founder, Dawood Ibrahim, prefers. For over 3 decades, Dawood has remained one of the world's most wanted criminals. He was at one point ranked 3rd on the FBI's most wanted list, and is suspected of orchestrating numerous terrorist attacks, as well as supporting extremist groups. His empire began in the 1970s and became a major player in the heroin and opium trade. Today, the organization reportedly earns at least $6.7 billion annually. But the truth is, no one really knows how much they're worth. Dawood's locations, finances, and operations remain hidden, and international agencies have never been able to track him down. Not even after the 1993 Mumbai bombings. His actual wealth might never be uncovered. 3. Sicilian Mafia, Cosa Nostra. In 2014, a shocking triple murder involving a young child and 2 adults rocked Italy and drew condemnation from Pope Francis himself. Such events highlight the extreme brutality associated with the Sicilian Mafia, or Cosa Nostra. This organization dates back to the 1800s and is believed to have originated as a prison-based brotherhood with rituals and values still reflected in modern operations. Over time, they collaborated with corrupt politicians and expanded into Europe and the US. Today, they run large networks involving money laundering, extortion, human trafficking, and illegal gambling. Their estimated worth is around $7 billion. 2. Gulf Cartel. Founded in the 1930s, the Gulf Cartel is one of the oldest and most savage drug cartels in the world. From Mexico, they built massive international distribution routes across North America and Europe. Their cruelty is legendary. Kidnapping victims often disappear forever, as seen in the 2011 mass abduction of the Cazares family in Matamoros, where 5 relatives vanished without a trace. Despite relentless efforts from law enforcement, the cartel continues to operate and maintain its power. Most estimates place their total value at over $10 billion. 1. Chinese Triads. At the top of the list stand the Chinese Triads, one of the oldest, most secretive, and most widespread criminal organizations ever recorded. They have been active for centuries, long before many modern nations even existed. Their criminal ventures range from extortion and racketeering to drug trafficking. But their biggest operation today is human trafficking, an industry they've dominated for more than 100 years. Their decentralized structure makes them extremely hard to dismantle. Many of their internal operations remain unknown, and their networks stretch across nearly every continent. Whenever people vanish without explanation, there's often speculation that the Triads were involved. Their estimated net worth stands at an incredible $13 billion.